Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a blacksmith. I go on holiday and find some really cool blacksmithing things to do. So I recently got back from Devon, hence no videos last week. I thought, sod it, take a bit of a break. But whilst in Devon, I met up with a fellow YouTuber. Some of you may know her, a lady called Penny, and we went to see her forge. I dropped some gifts off and we made a little bottle opener, so you'll see that footage in a minute. There was an intro recorded with Penny, but I haven't got it because I cut the beginning off, but you'll see what I do have in a minute. And we also went to Finch Foundry, which is the last remaining water-powered forge in the UK or something like that. I got some really good footage there, but I also deleted some really good footage that I got, so I messed that up as well. And to bolster this episode, I'll also be talking briefly about the hydraulic press build that will be coming very soon. Also, if you're a patron or you order tools, just hang out to the end and I've got some more information for you. Dan and this is
Penny.
And welcome to Penny's Forge. We're in Devon. Whereabouts in Devon are we?
East Budley.
East Budley.
For the moment.
For the moment.
Until tomorrow.
Tomorrow this is going to grow little legs and it's going to be transported to your new forge, isn't it? Cool.
Yep.
Lovely. And I'll come down here today to give you something. And it's from a very nice gentleman who seems to do a lot of good for our community. So I'd just like to say, before I give you your gift from John Coffey, thank you very much, John, for all your hard work. You're a lovely man. One hammer for Penny from John.
Thank you, John Coffey. Be seeing you soon.
You're going to Quad State as well, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
By the time this video up, I'm sure. Oh no. It'll be up next week. This video, so
yeah.
Not talking nonsense. When are you going? September.
5.5 weeks. Yeah, September 21st.
September the 21st. Cool. Right, well you're going to see me sweating like a pig and some video of some footage where you went to, what was the name of the forge?
Finch Foundry.
Finch Foundry. I'm awful with names, sorry guys.
Heavy gauge metal than this, there's something really no challenge to it at all.
Your forge is very hot, Penny! I'll miss it.
I will definitely try it out later. On a nice cold one.
So, this is the forge where Penny shoots her videos. Little desk there with all her stuff on. The belt grinder, little tiny gas forge, which she has lined, kids at home. Her anvil, and yeah. Let's see that bottle opener, Penny. So, we did a little video, made this little bottle opener for Penny. And you got some other goodies as well, didn't you, Penny?
I did. Some very good goodies.
Cool. Okay, cool. Right, yes, I'll show you the outside as well. The outside is just a shed! Look at that, it's awesome! It's great, I love it. So you don't need much to get started.
No, not at all.
And Penny's done a great job. Okay, a little bit of extra stuff because I lost some of the footage from Devon, which is a little bit irritating, but I thought you guys might like this little bit of lovely information on the end of this video. I talked before about making a hydraulic press, and I'm going to make a hydraulic press using this old fly press. Now this fly press doesn't have a bottom on it, and basically I thought, well, it's not got a bottom on it, it's cheap as chips, so I'm going to turn this into hydraulic press, and to do that I'm going to have to remove this screw thread first. But I want to turn this into a press because of these slides here and this piece here, and have the ram come through and move that up and down. This moves lovely. It's really nice movement on these. These are Briggs and Sweeney, or Sweeney and Blockside, sorry. Yeah, Sweeney and Blockside, and they make lovely fly presses. One of the things that is wrong with this, which I'm a bit annoyed about, is that this casting isn't quite great. It's not in line, but because I'm going to cannibalise it, it doesn't really matter. And also, when Sweeney makes these like one-off presses, they never put the weight on the side. I think this is a 3, might be a 4. One of the people that rents a unit up here has an engineering company that removes machines that work with plastics mostly. I think this is an unwinder. Hang on a minute, let me walk around before I fall over. This is an unwinding machine. So basically a big reel of something sits on the back here. There used to be a hydraulic motor that went on here and controlled by this big electrical motor. This hydraulic pump and this tank would operate that motor and help unwind the plastic or paper or whatever was going through these spools up here. Anyway, this here is a power pack. Now I think this might be a little bit too big for what I want, but if it's... Anyway, I need to talk to the guy who owns it, yeah, see if it is up for grabs, and if so, I want it. But that power pack there has, this is the electric motor, 3-phase, it goes into a small pump, and then on the side here you can see all the spools and valves, but then you can see it's also got these 2 hydraulic rams on the side, one this side and one this side. And I didn't see this last time, but yesterday, but if you look down here, we've got another little power pack. It's got a little vacuum pump on the back here, but I think this, with this rams, one of these rams or a ram I can find online or something like that, is going to do the job that we need. Okay, like I said, if you're a patron or you've been waiting for tools, there's been a bit of a delay, and I'm really sorry about that. It's for 2 reasons. The first reason is I'm an anally retentive fool. I've been getting a hand off Luke, and Luke can vouch for me, can't you, that we've made... How many hammers did we make for Penny? The one that she got? Was it 4? was it only 4? And then I made one with Alex and I made another one in a live, so it was 6 in total. We made 6 hammers for Penny before she actually got a hammer that I was happy with. I'm not willing to send tools out that I don't think are good enough quality. Nothing leaves this workshop, and well, sometimes it becomes mine, which happens quite a bit because it's not good enough to go into, well, your hands. So if you've paid money for tooling and you're waiting, please bear with me. I'm trying to get stuff perfect, and Luke is, I think he's getting very frustrated with me sometimes because of my constant faffing. The second thing is, I've just recently completed a job that went really wrong. There was a really big problem, and it was putting pressure and stress on me, and it was consuming time where I should have been in the workshop making stuff for you guys, sorting out the patrons and so on and so forth, and I haven't been able to do that. And it's literally wrecked the last 2 months. It's made the last 2 months quite stressful. We were supposed to go on holiday, proper holiday, which we didn't have because we couldn't go because I messed up this job and I had to sort some stuff out. And yeah, it all got blown out of proportion. It's been a real nightmare. So, if you're waiting for stuff, please be patient. If you're a Patreon and you're waiting for stuff, please be patient. Please be patient. I know you're supporting the channel, so I guess you understand what's going on, and that's why I have still been making videos. The point is that the videos are made regardless of whether or not I'm having trouble. And then if you're waiting for stuff, I kind of guess that that's an okay reason. Videos get made all the time. I'm getting on with stuff that's been a problem, and then therefore those other things are being put on hold. Please be patient. I am sorting it out. We've had a good push the last couple of weeks and I've got quite a bit of stuff caught up, or I'm sort of in the stage of having plenty of blanks and stuff made and getting tooling ready, and I've got some problems with the lathe now, which is not helping. So anyway, but patience is a virtue. And if you have it, you're amazing. If you are a Patreon, you're amazing. And if you're a subscriber, you're also amazing. So thank you for putting up with my madness and my sort of poor organisation and failure rate. That's what I wanted to say. And thank you for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, remember to ring that bell for notifications. Because I make videos on a Tuesday and a Thursday when I'm not on holiday and I'm not messing up the video footage that I've already got, which happens more often than you would have thought. But I at least make 2 videos a week, and yes, if you liked this video, remember to leave a comment and let me know what you thought. Let me know what you think of the press. I'd love to know some of your thoughts and ideas on that. Let me know what you thought of the Waterworks Museum. Let me know what you thought of Penny. Oh yes, on the Penny thing. Go and check out Penny. She has a really new YouTube channel, and I really admire people who are getting started, and that little, that little tiny shed where she's got all the stuff in. It doesn't take much to get set up. You pretty much just need an anvil, something to get hot, and a hammer. It's pretty much all you need. So kudos to her, and go and check her channel out. There'll be a link in the description. I will leave a link up here to Penny's video. I will leave a link down here to one of the hammers that didn't make it out of the workshop because it wasn't up to scratch. This is my Patreon. It's a great way to wait for stuff from me and also support the channel. And this here is the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and see you guys later. Bye-bye. Wow, that took forever. Thank you.